In this video, we're diving into how to set up Shopify SEO for 2026. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and make it discoverable. So if you're building an online store with Shopify, then you might be wondering how to get your products in front of the right people. Search engine optimization isn't just for bloggers or big corporations. It's a set of simple practices that helps search engines understand and rank your store. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your collections, optimize your product pages, use internal links strategically, and introduce schema markup basics to boost visibility. Stand out in a crowded marketplace. There are millions of stores online, and competition can be fierce, but many of those stores overlook basic SEO practices. By investing a little time in your site's structure and content, you can rise above the noise and attract shoppers who are already looking for what you sell. Let's start by understanding the foundations of Shopify SEO. Understanding Shopify SEO basics. SEO is about making your site easy for search engines and users to navigate. Shopify provides a solid foundation with built-in features like mobile-friendly themes, a clean URL structure, and automatic sitemaps. However, there are steps you need to take to make the most of these features. First, ensure that your store is accessible. Avoid blocking search engine bots in your robots.txt file unless you have a specific reason. Enable SSL in your Shopify settings to secure your site. This is not only good for security, but also a ranking factor. Set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics. These free tools provide insight into how your site performs in search and how visitors interact with it. Verify your domain in Search Console by following Shopify's instructions and submit your sitemap. Shopify automatically generates a sitemap at yourstorename.com/sitemap.xml. Search Console will use this file to discover your pages and product listings. Organizing your store structure. Site structure refers to how your pages are organized and linked together. A well-structured site helps search engines crawl all your pages and helps visitors find what they need. Start by keeping your top-level navigation simple. Don't create too many collections or sub-collections. Instead, group products logically. Make sure each collection page links to the relevant products and that products link back to their collections. Use breadcrumbs or a menu at the top of product pages to show where customers are in the site hierarchy. Breadcrumbs not only improve user experience, but also create internal links that search engines can follow. To set up breadcrumbs, you can customize your theme or use an app. Keep your site depth shallow. Ideally, no page should be more than 3 clicks from the home page. Optimizing collections. Collections aren't just a convenience for users. They're also important for SEO. Write descriptive titles for your collection pages. Include the main keyword that describes the products in that collection, but keep it natural. Avoid stuffing keywords. Mention key features or benefits of the products. This content helps search engines understand the context of the collection and may be displayed in search results. Add a collection image that represents the products as a whole. Optimize the image by compressing it for fast loading and adding alt text that describes the image. Alt text should be descriptive and incorporate a keyword naturally. If your theme supports it, display collection descriptions on the collection page. This can improve SEO and provide context to shoppers. Optimizing product pages. Product pages are the core of your store, so spend time optimizing them. Start with the product title. Make it clear and descriptive. Include key terms that shoppers might use to find your product, such as organic cotton t-shirt rather than just t-shirt. However, don't make titles overly long. Aim for clarity over keyword stuffing. Next, write a compelling meta description. This is the snippet that appears in search results under the title. Try and keep it under 160 characters, summarizing the product's main benefits and including a call to action like shop now or learn more. In the product description field, tell a story about your product. Describe its features, the materials used, the benefits of owning it, and any unique selling points. Use headings H3 or H4 4 to break up the text into sections like features, materials, or sizing. This not only makes the description easier to read, but also helps search engines understand the structure. Avoid duplicate descriptions. Each product should have unique content. If you sell similar products, write descriptions that highlight differences. Optimize images on your product pages. Upload high-resolution photos that show your product from multiple angles. Compress images before uploading to reduce file sizes and improve load times. Use descriptive file names like organic cotton t-shirt-blue.jpg and add alt text. If your product has variants, such as different colors, ensure that each variant image matches the option selected. Consider adding videos or 360-degree views to provide more information, but keep an eye on performance. Internal linking and navigation. Internal links connect your pages together and help both users and search engines discover more content. In Shopify, you can add links within product descriptions to other products or collections. For instance, if you mention a matching accessory, link to it. Add a related product section below the product details to suggest complementary items. This encourages shoppers to explore and increases the time they spend on your site. In your store's navigation, link to important pages like collections, about us, and contact. Don't bury key pages under multiple layers of drop-down menus. Use descriptive anchor text for your links so visitors know what to expect when they click. Breadcrumb navigation, as mentioned earlier, also contributes to internal linking by showing the path back to previous categories. Schema basics for Shopify. Schema markup is a type of structured data that provides additional information to search engines about the content on your page. When implemented correctly, it can enhance search listings with rich snippets like star ratings, price ranges, or availability. Shopify's free themes usually include basic product schema. However, if you're using a custom theme or you just want more control, you may need to add schema manually or with an app. The most important schema for e-commerce is product schema. This includes information like the product name, description, brand, SKU, price, currency, availability, and review ratings. You can add this using JSON LD scripts in your theme's liquid files. If coding isn't your strong suit, consider using an SEO app from the Shopify App Store that automatically inserts schema for you. Other useful schemas include breadcrumb schema to display the site hierarchy and search results, and article schema if you run a blog. Structured data helps search engines understand your content better and can increase click-through rates by displaying rich information. Additional SEO steps. SEO is an ongoing process. Beyond structure, content, and schema, pay attention to technical factors like site speed. Choose a lightweight theme, limit the number of apps you install, and compress images. Shopify hosts your site on a fast, global infrastructure, but large images and unused code can still slow it down. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify opportunities to improve your performance. Finally, build backlinks to your store. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours and act as a vote of confidence in the eyes of search engines. So reach out to bloggers or influencers in your niche, contribute guest posts, or collaborate on product reviews. Backlinks help increase your domain authority, which can improve rankings. Combine external link building with your internal linking strategy for a comprehensive approach. So setting up Shopify SEO is about getting the fundamentals right and being consistent. Organize your store with clear collections and simple navigation. Optimize each collection and product page with descriptive titles, unique descriptions, and well-labeled images. Use internal links to guide visitors and search engines around your store. Implement schema markup to provide rich information in search results, and monitor your site's speed and performance. Finally, remember that SEO takes time. Keep producing great content, building relationships, and refining your site. With patience and persistence, your Shopify store will climb the search rankings and attract customers who are ready to buy. So if you're ready to get started with Shopify, you'll find the affiliate link down in the description below. Using this link helps support the channel by giving us a small commission when you use it, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us continue creating free content just like this, where we can talk more about Shopify SEO and web development content. So thank you so much in advance if you end up using it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.